Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient, all attractive, source of pleasure. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Opposition to time is opposition to God, or ignorance of God. Spiritual creations that are called gods and goddesses are functionaries and representatives. Mere fruitive action is limited in its scope and will not provide us what keeps us from cycling existence. Aversion to divine examples denies us of the height of what we could achieve. Study and other work can be devotion. Your duty includes what is according to your consciousness. Divine qualities can all manifest at the same time. The forms belonging to God are to inform. Scriptures remain beyond all creation. Wash in each of the worship times. Like dawn to sunrise, early afternoon, late afternoon, evening, dusk to dawn, a little after the sunrise to the middle of the day. Sometimes our effulgence of our states can be witnessed by other beings. If someone blames the faultless, it can affect more than themselves, but their pious family can counteract its effects upon themselves. Divinity is not reacting out of emotional revenge, but just reaction. It sets forth the laws of nature. So the laws of nature themselves some will illuminate others by their mere presence. And when I say the term Luciferian, that's what I'm getting at. Those who serve the mere bodily appetites become capable of any preference or means to achieve as they want. Not all qualities are fit to imitate the forms of ritual preparation, has preferred locations and other material forms. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.